Alright, let's see how this goes this time. I actually put a different mic from the one from before, and I'm not sure how this is gonna go. Alright, warm my back up. Hopefully this mic test helps out a lot. And I hope my voice doesn't sound too weird. And hope you don't get too much wind noise, because that usually kills videos. I know that because I hate it too. So, first video. I thought it was pretty good at first. I actually saw the whole thing, and I thought it was decent, mediocre, below average. So I was kind of disappointed, but hey, what can I say? It's like the first video I made, so yeah. So, you guys don't know, I'm from Sacramento, California, and yeah, lane splitting is legal here, so you guys keep up with my videos that I'll start posting a lot more. Then yeah, I think I will be lane splitting a lot. Because, hey, it's useful through traffic. Yep. Freaking this morning, I had to go to Staples, and it was like, man, I had no idea where to find the Velcro at. Because it's what I was using to get my mic set up, everything going. And then, yeah. But yeah, hopefully this mic test is going pretty good. Hope it doesn't catch much of the wind, because that would be bad, like I said before. Pick it up a bit. Oh, another motorcycle. Okay. Cool. Like So anyone out there watching, what would you guys like to see out there? Like, just casual riding video, or more like me commentating over stuff? Because I really like to do that. It's like fun. I like to talk. I'm a big talker. But yeah, kind of up to you guys, or just give me some advice on how to run the show here, because like I said, I'm kind of new to this scene, but I will do my best. And there's someone behind me, I didn't even know that. Not even noticed. Looks like a cruiser as well. Cruisers are really common around here. I only see a couple sport bikes every now and then. But cruisers, hey, there's nothing wrong with cruisers. Cruisers are cool. Make a lot of noise. That thing looks sick. Blue Cruiser, not too shabby. Alright. Da-da-da-dum, da-da-da-da-dum. But yeah, I'm making this video. If you couldn't notice already, on a 2007 Kawasaki NC50. Basically my first bike, and had it for around 7 months now, and it's a good bike. I like it, but I think I'm gonna upgrade soon because yeah, I want to feel a little more of that power, that raw power. Because I've actually felt it on my friend Yamaha 600. It's like, man, that thing is, woo, dang, it's like, it felt nothing like this. It made this thing feel like a toy. And yeah, it was like, woo. Yep. And he just recently got a new Yamaha R6, so I'm like, whoa, this guy's upgrading and I'm still here on a 250. But hey, has its advantages. It can still accelerate pretty good, and pretty good for those turns. I like it for the turns. Turns really good and sharp because it's so lightweight. You can just toss this thing around, you know, and it can just move. Get you from point A to point B safely, securely, and pretty affordably, I guess. Here on the cheap side. Ya-da-da-dee, ya-da-da-da, ya-da-da-da, ya-da-dee-dee, ya-da-da-da, ya-da-da-da. So hopefully this is going okay so far, and I could finally post something up, because I haven't posted, and I want to post something because I don't like just having one video on my channel. I need more. Okay. Like where I live at, it's like back in the day, farmland, you know, cows. That looks like a house for like a zombie movie to be holed up in, you know. Oh my God, they're coming for the farm. Walking Dead, Herschel's farm. Funny. Yeah, I'm a big fan of The Walking Dead. Can't wait for the new season because it's gonna be awesome. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da. yeah, guys, just let me know if this is a decent video, to say the least, and tell me some things I can improve on. And yeah, just try watch more of my videos, I hope. They're good enough. Alright, and thanks for watching. See you guys later.